Exhibit 88.
Okay.
Now, Ms. Van Sack, I think you testified that on May 14th, you received the fax, the 10-page fax, Mr. Kenaway's name on it, right?
I'm sorry, are we on the phone call?
Yes, but I'm on the phone calls, but I'm trying to set up you set up the next line of questioning.
Okay.
And just for context, May 14th, you received the fax with the disciplinary report and the other documents.
Yeah.
Okay. And on May 14th, you have a 3-minute telephone conversation, a 2-minute telephone conversation, and a 2-minute telephone conversation with Mr. Kenaway, right?
On my cell phone, yes.
Well, those are the only records, the only phone calls you have records of, right? And you then do not speak, and then you do not speak to Mr. Kenaway until, according to this chart, until the 27th, the day before the article was written, right?
No.
Okay, where is the next time on this chart that you have a telephone conversation reflected with Mr. Kenaway?
No, I'm saying it's not that I didn't speak with Mr. Kenaway again. It's on my cell phone. I didn't speak with him.
And you have no records of talking to Mr. Kenaway between the 14th and the 27th.
I guess the company, the phone company didn't have the records, but these are my cell phone records.
Okay, I'm just asking about records. That was
Yeah.
my question. There are no records of any phone calls between you and Kenaway between the 14th and the 27th other than a 3-minute call, a 3-minute call, and a 2-minute call. Or, I'm sorry, a 3-minute... Let's get it right. Two minutes, and 3 minutes. Right?
Okay.
And it's not just your cell phone records. We also have Mr. Kenaway's cell phone records that have been produced, which are Trial Exhibit 16, right?
Okay, I'm not familiar with that.
Okay. Well, this chart, if you look at Exhibit 88, was made up of cell phone records of Jessica Van Sachs, Stephen Kenaway, and Dana Lyman.
Okay.
I've
never seen the records.
Fair enough. And they're in evidence as Trial Exhibit 16. So as in between your cell phone records and Mr. Kenaway's cell phone records, there's only evidence of a 2-minute call on the 14th, a 2-minute call on the 14th, a 3-minute call on the 14th, and then nothing until the 27th, right? According to this chart and the phone records.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. And you would also agree with me that there is no record of any telephone calls between you and Mr. Lyman between the 14th, when you got the disciplinary report, and the 27th, as in between reflected on your cell phone records and Mr. Lyman's cell phone records, right?
Yes.
Yes, there.
I'm sorry, there's 2 calls on the 27th.
Right. So I'm saying between, but fair comment. Until the 27th, between the 14th when you get the records,
Yes.
and the 27th